Alrighty guys, how about a Tuesday night update here from Central Oregon and the weather here in Central Oregon. I know everybody loves the weather updates. It's hot. I think it was about, I don't know, I think it was about 90 today. It's pretty warm. It's supposed to be, I think, 95 tomorrow. And James isn't home right now, so I'm down here in his garage. He has my sticker up on his refrigerator there. And as you saw, probably as a thumbnail for if you saw on the community tab, I had a thumbnail up. We have a new collaboration sticker. It's, excuse me, has both my logo and their logo on it. It's a die cut sticker. Nice looking sticker, I must say so myself, although Kyle designed it. And we have that available. Also have t-shirts, hoodies, coffee mug. Let's see, t-shirt, hoodies, coffee mug. There's something else. Anyway, I'll try to link that down below. It's a limited edition. We're not going to run this real long. Probably for the 2 weeks that I'm here, and then just for a little bit longer after that, and then we're going to cut it off. It has the dates that we're doing this collaboration, and so if you want one, you're going to have to pick it up soon because we're not going to keep it running forever. But anyway, yeah, I'm here at James's house. He had to go do a job. He's self-employed, and he had to go do a job real quick. He should be back within the hour, I think, but that's his super duty. I feel like I'm zoomed out, but that's his super duty that he just got recently. Nice riding truck, I'll have to say that. Then over here, this is the 78 Bronco him and Kyle have been working on. Originally, that's what I was going to come out and paint. But then Kyle decided to get a truck, and that's what we're working on now. So if you haven't checked that out, you need to check that out on both of our channels, both mine and Central Oregon Shenanigans. I'll link them down below as well. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when we upload. I know, James, he's a little embarrassed of his weed situation, but same thing like back home. Weeds have been crazy this year. We do have a couple things going on here. I don't know if you can guess what that is, but we got that unwrapped today. Also, this one down here. These are going on Kyle's truck. And here's an old license plate that they never sent to me last year. I helped them get up. YouTube had a thing where you had to have 1,000 subs, and I think it was 4,000 hours of watch time. I helped them get up over the 1,000 sub mark with shout outs last year, barely, by the end of February. And yeah, they jumped up over 3,000 here. I think it was last night. They're rocking and rolling. But they made that plate to me. They were going to send that to me, never did. But I'm taking that home with me. And yeah, so James and I, we've been working down here today. He had a job this morning. He has a job right now. He'll be back here shortly. And we have some stuff to do after that. We're not going out to Kyle's tonight. But we do have 4 or 5 or 6 days coming up that all three of us can really hit Kyle's truck hard. So I think we're going to get her done without much problem. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for this, and that. Going to be pretty cool. So yeah, that's what's going on here in Central Oregon. House is in the way, but there's mountains right over there. It's really pretty out here. Never seen so many evergreen trees in my life, but the roads aren't all torn up like in Iowa. In Iowa, you get a little crack in the road and you get salt and stuff down in there, get all corroded and start falling apart. They've got pretty nice roads out here. And the trucks are unbelievable. I mean, here's a 78 Bronco, no rust on it. And I've seen so many OBS trucks like 72 through 76. Or not 72, 92 through 96, 97 Ford trucks, even Chevy trucks that, you know, back home if you were to see them, they would be rusted to pieces, and they look great. Oh, there's one right now driving. Well, that one had a little bit on the door, but it just blows my mind. They do not have the rust problem like we have back home. But we've been working on Kyle's truck. I'd say it's about 80 or 90% ready for paint. We're gonna head back out there tomorrow, I believe. And then Thursday, James and I will be out there. I think Kyle has to work. He may have to work till like noon on Friday. And then we're really gonna start hitting stuff hard. So stay tuned for that. Having a great time out here. Really am. Really having a good time. So I think we're going to get that truck done without much problem. And I think we're going to get this done as well. I think these are going to be pretty easy, really. But anyway, this is a transmission over here that James has been working on. And I think he's going to get back on this E4OD transmission once I leave. He just doesn't have the time to do it right now. I know some people have been wanting to see that he's rebuilding this transmission, going through it step by step. And I think that's going to get done once I leave. So anyway, guys, yeah, out here in Central Oregon instead of Central Iowa. I brought the heat with me. Back home it's like 70 degrees. I just talked to my wife a little bit ago. It's pretty nice back home, but it's rather warm here, although the humidity isn't bad. So yeah, a little bit of difference, but enjoying my time here so far. We've been having a lot of fun and also getting a lot of work done. So one thing I'm going to do, or I was going to do, get all these bolts off, but these are all those nylock nuts. Need to get some air tools out, get those off. It was really hot in here just a little bit ago because the sun was shining in here, and this metal, you couldn't hardly touch it. It was so hot. But probably going to get all the bolts out of, there's 4 of these, get all the bolts out of those. We're going to sand these down. These go on Kyle's truck, on his wheels. We're going to sand all these down. We're going to color match these to his truck. And then we're going to get new bolts, new gold bolts, and put those in. So anyway, guys, that is what's going on here in Central Oregon. Waiting for James to get home. And we do have some things to do. I'm not going to talk about that in this quick little update, but really enjoying my time. And if you, like I said, if you're interested in our limited edition stickers and that kind of thing that we have, really cool logo. And it's a die cut sticker. It's not like a round sticker, like just like my channel logo right there. It's a die cut sticker. If you saw the community tab on my channel to get here, you saw what that sticker looked like, and it is pretty neat looking. Kyle came up with that, and like I said, we've got t-shirts, mugs, sweatshirts, all that kind of stuff. So anywho, that's what's going on tonight. I put a full video out this morning. So did James and Kyle. Central Oregon Shenanigans, they put one out this morning as well. We're gonna have another full video out tomorrow. So if you haven't viewed those yet, go check them out, get caught up on what's going on, and we will I'll catch you next time, guys.